A good deal. Sarah, is that really you?
Mark, what a surprise to see you here.
I heard about the big sale event.
Me too. The discounts are amazing today.
Have you found anything good yet?
Yes, look at this jacket. It's 50% off.
Wow, that is a fantastic deal.
I think so. But what do you think of the color?
It's a nice shade of blue.
I was a little unsure. I thought it might be too bright.
No, I think it looks great on you.
Thanks for your honest opinion, Mark.
Of course. So, what are you looking for?
I really need some new shoes for work.
The shoe section is over there.
Oh, really? Did you see if they had good sales?
Yes, I saw many items on discount.
That is great news. Thanks for telling me.
No problem at all. Are you buying that jacket?
Yes, definitely. I can't miss this price.
You are a very smart shopper.
I just try to wait for the sales periods.
I should learn to be more patient.
It really helps you save a lot of money.
My problem is, I buy things I don't need.
That's called impulse buying. I sometimes do it too.
It's a hard habit to stop.
I know. I try to make a shopping list before I come.
That is a very practical idea.
It helps stop me from buying extra things.
I should try that next time for sure.
You should. It's a simple but effective trick.
Well, I should go find those shoes now.
Okay, Mark. Good luck with your search.
Thanks. It was really nice seeing you again.
You too. Have a great afternoon.
You as well. Let's try to catch up soon.
That sounds like a good plan. See you later.
Bye, Sarah. Enjoy your new jacket.
Goodbye, Mark. I hope you find some great shoes.
Comparing local and supermarket food, these tomatoes look so much better.
They really do. So bright and red.
They seem fresher than supermarket ones.
That's because they are locally grown.
Does that make a big difference?
Yes, a huge difference in taste.
I always thought a tomato is a tomato.
Oh, you should try one of these.
Are they more expensive than the store?
Sometimes, but the quality is worth it.
So, you think local food is better?
For produce, definitely. It's fresher.
What about other things like milk?
I think local milk tastes richer.
That's interesting. I never noticed.
You also support local farmers directly.
That's a very good point to consider.
It helps the community a lot.
What are you planning to buy today?
I need some carrots and fresh herbs.
These carrots have a vibrant color.
They will be very sweet and crunchy.
I usually just buy the bags at the store.
You can really taste the soil here.
You mean that in a good way, right?
Haha, yes. It means they are natural.
I see some local honey over there.
It's delicious. You should get a jar.
Is it different from normal honey?
It has a more unique floral flavor.
You've convinced me to try some things.
Great. You won't regret your choice.
Maybe I'll start with these strawberries.
An excellent choice. They smell amazing.
They remind me of summer days.
Exactly. Supermarket berries can't do that.
It seems you are very passionate.
I just appreciate good, simple food.
This changes how I see grocery shopping.
It can be an enjoyable experience.
It's not just a weekly chore.
Right. It's about finding quality food.
Thanks for showing me this market.
Of course. I'm glad you came.
Should we grab a coffee after this?
That sounds like a perfect plan.
Returning A faulty item. I need some help with the return.
Hello. Of course. What are you returning today?
This coffee maker. I bought it here last Tuesday.
I see. What seems to be the problem with it?
It makes a very loud, strange noise when brewing.
That doesn't sound right. Is the coffee okay?
Not really. It's never hot enough, just warm.
Okay, I understand. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, I have the e-receipt on my phone.
Perfect. Let me just scan the code.
Sure, here you go. Is that clear enough?
Yes, that works. Thanks. And the original box?
The box? Oh, I think I threw it away.
I see. That might be a small issue for a refund.
Why is that? I have the machine and the receipt.
Our store policy requires all original packaging.
I didn't know that, so I can't get a refund.
Not a cash refund, but you have other options.
Okay, what are my options then?
We can do an exchange for the same model.
A brand new one, right?
Yes, a new one, or I can give you store credit.
What would you recommend in this case?
The exchange is faster if you still want this coffee maker.
I do, but what if the new one has the same issue?
That's a fair question. This model is usually very good.
So you think it was just bad luck?
I believe so. We sell a lot of them without problems.
Okay. I'll take the exchange then.
Great. I will process that for you now.
Thank you. I appreciate you explaining everything.
It's my job. I'm happy to help.
How long will this process take?
Just a few moments. I'm getting the new item now.
No problem. It's raining outside, so I'm not in a hurry.
I saw that. It started just after I biked to work.
Oh, you biked in this weather?
It was just a light rain when I left home.
Well, I hope you have an easy rest of your day.
Thank you. Okay, all done. Here's your new machine.
Excellent. Do I need a new receipt for this one?
Yes, this is your new receipt for the exchange.
Got it. Thank you again for all your help.
You're very welcome. Have a wonderful day.
Waiting at the bank. Hi, Sarah. I didn't expect to see you here.
Oh, hi, John. What a coincidence.
What brings you to the bank today?
I need to open a new savings account.
That's a good idea. I'm just here to deposit a check.
The mobile app wasn't working for me.
I have that problem sometimes too.
Yes, it can be quite frustrating.
The line is moving so slowly, isn't it?
It is. I hope it doesn't take too long.
Do you prefer coming to the bank in person?
Not always. I prefer online banking for simple things.
Me too. It saves a lot of time.
But for opening an account, face-to-face is better.
I agree completely. It feels more secure.
Exactly. Are you saving for something special?
I'm just putting some money aside.
That's smart. I'm saving for a trip.
Oh, really? That sounds exciting.
Yes, I'm planning to go to Spain next year.
Spain is beautiful. You will have a great time.
I hope so. I need to save a lot.
Well, a savings account is a good first step.
I think so too. Every little bit helps.
Did you need to bring many documents?
Just my ID and proof of address.
I always worry I'll forget something important.
I know the feeling. I checked 3 times.
You are always so well prepared.
It just helps to reduce my stress.
It's a bit warm in here, don't you think?
Yes, I was just thinking that.
I hope your appointment doesn't take much time.
Thanks. Your deposit should be quick.
I think My number is next.
Oh, great. You're almost done.
It was nice chatting with you, Sarah.
You too, John. Good luck with the check.
Thanks. Good luck with your new account.
Thank you. I'll see you at work tomorrow.
Okay, see you tomorrow. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Finding the right diet. That looks like a very healthy lunch.
Thanks. I am trying a new eating plan.
Oh, is it a special kind of diet?
Yes, it's the Mediterranean diet.
I've heard of that. Is it very strict?
Not really. It is quite balanced, actually.
That sounds good. I tried the keto diet once.
Oh, really? How was that experience for you?
It was too difficult for me. I really missed bread.
I understand. I could never give up all carbs.
Does your new diet allow you to eat bread?
Yes, whole grains are perfectly fine.
I think a balanced diet is more sustainable.
I agree. I have much more energy now.
Energy is important. I biked to work today.
That's impressive. It's a bit rainy outside.
The rain was light. It felt quite refreshing.
You are brave. I decided to take the bus.
So, what is the main goal of your diet?
It's more about long-term health than weight loss.
That's a great approach, a true lifestyle change.
Exactly. The quick diets never seem to work.
My friend is trying a vegan diet now.
That's a big commitment. Is it hard for him?
He says it is okay, but finding food is hard.
Yes, eating out can be a challenge.
He also eats a lot of processed vegan food.
I prefer to eat more natural, whole foods.
That seems like the smartest way to do it.
I think so. It keeps things simple.
Do you have to cook every day for it?
I cook more often, but I enjoy it.
That's nice. I'm not a very good cook.
You just need a few simple recipes.
Maybe you can share a recipe with me.
Of course, I would be happy to.
Thanks. Well, I will let you enjoy your lunch.
Thank you, Mark. Enjoy your break.
You too. It was nice talking about this.
Yes, it was. See you later.
It's interesting how many diets there are.
I know. It is hard to choose one.
I guess you just find what works for you.
That's the most important thing in the end.